Hey Coral Springs, it's Dr. Maan, your local chiropractor. Today we have Shayna here. She's a young girl who's having some stiffness into her shoulders and in her neck. A lot of this is happening because of school. She's sitting a lot, studying a lot, reading a lot of books, and then also the chairs at school are not comfortable. So sitting in those chairs for 8-9 hours in a day puts a lot of strain onto the back and into the shoulders and the neck, and we're here to correct it. This is going to be her like 6th or 7th visit. She's shown a lot of improvement. Today we want to make her our YouTube star of the week, so that way we could get her on camera as well. Okay, so we've already done an exam. We've seen that she has a lot of tightness going on in her mid-back to her rhomboid muscles, a lot of strain to her neck going into her upper trapezius muscles as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get her adjusted. You're going to hear some popping and cracking sounds coming from your spine. Good, just like that, like that. There we go. Now we're going to have her go face up for me, and you're going to lay flat. We're going to go ahead and adjust her neck. She's going to hear a small little crack. There we go. Small little crack here. Relax, relax, good. Good. And then we're going to go ahead and stretch out her upper trap here, because this stress right here, this is the muscle she uses when she's reading all of her books or when she's on YouTube watching Dr. Maan videos. There we go. Good. Shayna, you're going to go ahead and have a seat, look at the camera, and tell them how you feel.
I feel much better.
Good, good. It's Dr. Maan, your Coral Springs chiropractor. If you have any questions or would like to get treated for your neck pain or your back pain, we accept most insurances, and we're here in the center of Coral Springs. If you have any questions, reach out to our office, 954-225-4007. You can read the comments below. We have all of our address and information on there for you. Have a good day, Coral Springs.